Alright guys, here's a quick video on how to remove the external regulator from your Datsun. Maybe you've bought a new alternator and you're getting some feedback through the wires, so when you turn your ignition off, the car doesn't stop. Now I bought a cheap reproduction new regulator so I could steal the plug and do what this diagram here is suggesting. We need to loop the red, white, then the black, white wires, and then we also need to do that with the white and the yellow wire. I've also added an earth attachment to make sure that it still grounds out. I hope everyone that needs this video finds it easily enough. I know it took me a lot of searching and stuffing around to find the best way to do this for a Datsun. And once you've soldered up these wires and made sure they're insulated properly, I simply pulled the excess pin, which is that white and blue wire, out of the plug so that it had no potential to ground out against the frame. Then it's simply a matter of reinstalling the plug and screwing in the ground connections and making sure that everything's tight and squared away, and then you should be right to roll. I hope this helped you out. Please leave a like and subscribe if you like this content and would like to see some more. I will put a link in the description for the reproduction external regulator if you'd like to pick that up so you don't destroy your original regulator.